I'd used cannabis, since like late in high school, and kind of as like a creative problem solver, I'm always trying to look at things from different perspectives. And so cannabis kind of provided that extra perspective I needed. But now people are starting to shift towards like, well, they realize that the pre-roll is sometimes your first chance, your first look at a new consumer, right? Like, and so they're starting to shift towards like, okay, we got to put, good flower in our pre-rolls. And that's one of the cool things about the Blackbird is it's got a modular design. And so if there was like an innovation that we had, 6 months after you bought the machine, we could retrofit that onto your machine. And so it's like, you don't have this tech that's aging.
Cannabinoid Connect, the nation's most diverse cannabis-related podcast.